You won the race Dakar many times. Can you describe the experience, the feeling? Many riders are happy just to finish. You won. How is the experience?
You know, win one Dakar is very difficult. We know that it's the harder race on the world and it's a long race. So when you cross the line and you are the winner, it's a special, really special moment. But you know, the feeling it's coming after 1 week, 2 weeks, when you arrive at home, when you are on the family, with the friends. Then where is the really moment that you feel that you are the winner, no? We start to training, to practice for the next one. You know, after the victory is not one secret, no? Just to stay working, to work hard for try to win again, no? That it's only the way that for us we are in our head.
What do you do in your free time?
Yeah, my free time it's easy, like a normal person. No, of course that my job is not normal. Of course we know, but I like all the sports that is in all the sports that are outside on the nature, on the mountains, to climbing, to jogging, to cycling. It's easy. I live in one place in Spain, similar like here, Maribor, so it's easy. And then also I like to go to the cinema and read some books. Nothing really special.
Would you say all the sport activities keep you fit so you don't have to train that much? Because the car experience, you have to be very good shape.
Yes, I try that all my hobbies. It's pushing in the same direction and it's helping to be harder than before. No, so not want to say that it's we don't have to training. No, it's not the point. No, so we have to work.
I heard you're a big fan of FC Barcelona. Did you have the opportunity to watch them play against Manchester United?
No, not in the Manchester game, but I have two seats on the stadium for all the season. And when I have free time and it's 1 weekend free, that is not easy. I try to be there always to give my support all the team. No.
What about safety and racing? Does it come together?
Yeah, we know that the Dakar is a dangerous race. No, it's in the desert. When you have a crash, it's not easy. The nearest hospital is far away, so you know we work really hard. All the organization, they put a new generation of safety instruments. This helps a lot, but we don't have to forget that we are in the desert and it's not easy, no? So well, we have to work a lot, but I think that if we imagine that we are in the middle of nothing, we are in the good hands. No?
What is it more difficult, to ride the motorcycle or maybe the trucks or maybe the personal cars?
Difficult to say that because I don't have experience on the trucks and on the cars, no. But I can say that the bike is difficult, no, especially to cross the dunes, to navigate it at the same time that you are riding. So for me the bikes is difficult, no. But sure that the cars and the trucks have his secrets, no.
Many people say you are the best navigator in the Rally Dakar.
Difficult to say, but I get lost. Of course, I have a lot of experience. Next Dakar will be my 10th Dakar, so this means a lot of case on the desert, a lot of case in the preparation, and all that I trying all the time is to learn, no? And then I try to applicate it on the race. Sometimes it's working, sometimes you get lost, but I feel comfortable when I'm open the road, when I'm leading the race, and when I make the first line on the desert. No? I'm not scared, I feel good.
You had the opportunity to see a little bit of Maribor. How do you like it?
Yeah, I was expecting, no, because never been before here in Maribor and Slovenia. It's new for me. I know Miran for a long time ago, and always we talk on the races. Hey, you have to come, and now I have the opportunity to be here. It's a short time. I spent a short time because I arrived yesterday. I'm leaving today, but just now I have an idea and I can see the ski area and the city. So now I know more, and why not in the future to spend my holidays here? Would
you change from the motorcycle which you drive in the car to a Formula?
No, I will stay in the Dakar. Of course, in the future I would like to get the opportunity to jump to the four wheels, but on the Dakar, not on the Formula.